So come on. Really? There has to be an easier way. Come on. Ooh. So this is what it looks like opening the box. Comes with a diffuser, which I'm so excited about. That means I have to put my curly stuff in my hair. Or I cannot. I won't. This looks so nice. Here's the dryer. It comes wrapped all special and nice. This is so pretty. It has like a little mirror. I really like this. It comes with a travel case. Ooh. Wow. I'm bringing this on my trip. It comes with a little regular blow drying head. Oh, you can do this. Ready? ASMR. I don't even want to take it off though. Like, it just freaking clicks on like a magnet. Whoa. What is this, like Back to the Future? So it looks like it has a cooling setting. Low noise, high speed, fast drying, and intelligent temperature control. So this is like the temperature. Oh my gosh, it changes. So like this is hot. That's really hot. So that was warm. And then it can go up higher. Whoa, 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 whoa. Like, this is like a Back to the Future kind of hair dryer. Okay, we're gonna do this one. This is so cool. Okay, we're gonna do this. This hair dryer, 10 out of 10. Doesn't make a loud sound. This is magnetic. So easy, so cool, beautiful. This color. Bag that comes with the hair. This is so cute. I'm gonna use the diffuser next time when I put curling cream in my hair, and I'll show you guys then.